Hello everyone, welcome to our today's session. In this session, we will see about lenses. So, we will start.
Lenses. You must have seen lenses used in day to day life. Some examples are the lenses used by old persons for reading, lens embedded in the front door of the house, the lens which the watchmaker attach lens to his eyes, etc. Lenses are used in spectacles. They are also used in telescopes. A lens is a transparent medium bounded by two surfaces. Lens which has two spherical surfaces which are puffed up outward is called convex or double convex lens. This lens is thicker near the center as compared to the edges. The lens with the both surface spherical on the inside is called a concave or double concave lens. Understand, students? Now we will see this lens is thinner at the center as compared to its edges. Now next one, different types of lenses we will see. A ray of light of get reflected twice while passing through a center of the lens, once entering the lens and once while emerging from the lens. The direction of the ray changes because of their refractions. Both the surfaces of most lenses are part of a sphere. The cross section of a convex and concave lens are as shown. The surface marked as 1 is a part of sphere S1, while surface 2 is a part of sphere S2. Center of curvature. C. The center of a sphere whose parts from the surface of the lens are called as centers of curvature of the lens. A lens with both surfaces spherical has two center of curvature C1 and C2. This we have seen in our live lecture also. Now we will see radius of curvature R. The radii R1 and R2 of the spheres whose parts from surface of the lenses are called as radia of curvature of the lenses. Principal axis. The imaginary line passing through both center of curvature is called the principal axis of the lens. Optical center O. The point inside a lens of the principal axis through which the light ray pass without changing their path is called the optical center of a lens. As shown, ray P1 Q1, P2 Q2 passing through O are going along a straight line. Thus, O is the optical center of the lens. Principal focus denoted by capital letter F. When light ray parallel to the principal axis are incident on a convex lens, they converge to a point on the principal axis. This point is called the principal focus of the lens. As shown, F1 and F2 are the principal foci of the convex lens. Light ray parallel to the principal axis falling on a convex lens comes together, that is, get focused at a point on the principal axis. So, this type of lens is called a converging lens. Rays traveling parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens diverge after reflection in such a way that they appear to be coming out of a point on the principal axis. This point is called the principal focus of a concave lens. As shown, F1 and F2 are the principal foci of the concave lens. Light ray traveling parallel to the principal axis of a concave lens diverge after refraction in such a way that they appear to be coming out of a point on the principal axis. This point is called the principal focus of a concave lens. As shown, F1 and F2 are the principal foci of the concave lens. Light ray parallel to the principal axis falling on a concave lens go away from the one other, that means they diverges after reflection. So this type of lenses is also called as diverging.
And the last term is the focal length, the distance between the optical center and the principal focus is called as the focal length. Did you understand? Hope you all understand today's session. Thank you, dear students.